Welcome. In front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in it, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom on this side, and you're going to select System. From here, select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now I do want to point out this will delete all the data which is listed right here, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. So if you have anything that you would like to maintain on this device from personal data, do make a backup copy of it before you go any further. And there is several ways you can do this. There is a way for you to, for instance, if we go back in here, select cancel, I guess, and back, we should have the option to, there we go, back up our device. This will be done to the cloud, and it's a way that you can back up your device, but I honestly recommend backing it up using a cable, plugging it into your computer, and doing it that way. A reason for that is when doing a cloud backup, which this is what it would be, you're basically backing up all your personal information to someone else's computer. So that's number one. Number two, this is going to Google, if I'm correct. And let's be honest, Google isn't the pioneer of privacy. They're not like the bastion of hope for privacy here. They're the exact opposite. So I would never want to have my personal data stored on someone else's computer if that someone else is equivalent of basically Jeffrey Epstein when it comes down to his liking for other individuals. So I think I would prefer to back it up to my computer and have full control over this data. And additionally, when it comes to Google, its company is kind of training their AI models, so your data will probably be used for that purpose as well. And furthermore, if I'm correct, there is a law for European Union which forces companies to store the data for only a specific period of time, and I don't remember if it's 2-3 years. Something along those lines, if I remember correctly. So after that time, the companies are obligated legally to get rid of your data. Now, you can kind of imagine how this gets absolutely stupid if they actually train models using your data without your knowledge, obviously. So your data is basically being fed, memorized by AI, and then when you need it, it's no longer there. It seems like the lose-lose situation, and I don't recommend doing it. There is much better way using a cable and moving over the data that you want to keep to your computer. Anyway, I'm going to select Reset Options again, erase all data, and I'm going to just confirm it right here, erase all data. It affirms this process once more, so all of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. Yes, we are sure we want to proceed. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you might need to confirm it. I don't, so I can just jump straight onto the next step, which is resetting. And this process here probably will take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe, to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.